Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felzy. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I often say that gaining weight is a lot easier to me than losing it, because once you follow off a diet plan, you tend to gain weight faster than what you have lost. I'll be giving you guys advice or what I have learned so far about dieting or losing weight generally. Guys, you can't do everything you see online. You can't do everything you see on the internet. Pick one and stick to it, because consistency matter. It doesn't matter if you try to do OMAD or intermittent fasting, keto, or whatever diet, warrior diet that is out there. It doesn't matter how you decide to start the diet or do it, but you just have to pick one and be consistent with it. So don't try to do everything you see. Just pick one and work with it. Another thing that I have learned while trying to lose weight is that you have to do what works for you. Don't say because it worked for my friend, so it must work for me. Or because your friend lost 10 pounds, 20 pounds doing this diet plan, it will work for you. No, it won't. You might lose a few pounds and stop losing weight. You will feel very, very disappointed. Do what works for you, guys. Don't copy everything. You can get tips and ideas from people, but don't do copycats. Don't copy everything, because your body and theirs is not the same. Your system and theirs is not the same. The way your system reacts is not the same. Yes, we are the same, we are humans, but your body reacts differently. I might take green tea and my body will be fine, and I'll be losing weight, and you will take it, you will not lose weight. You might take it and you might be losing weight, and I will take it and will not losing weight. Okay, let me not use green tea. I might do a particular diet and I will be losing weight. You might do it and you will not lose weight. You might do something new, something unheard of, and bring it to the open market, and I will try it. I might lose few pounds and later I will stop, and I will become very angry and frustrated because I did not get the result that I really want from this diet plan. So please don't copy anyone. Do what works for you and be consistent with that particular thing that works for you. Now listen to your body. Know how your body feels. Enjoy whatever thing you're doing. You should also take note of when to pause. You don't have to be strict with everything. Mostly, guys, don't expect to see results in 1 week, 2 weeks. It doesn't work that way. Yes, you can start feeling different, a lot lighter. It is normal when you do a diet plan, but don't expect to get that result. Like it happened to me when I maybe eat one bowl of salad for a whole day and I was able to do the 16/8 intermittent fasting. You see me checking myself in the mirror, looking if I have lost some weight or I am still looking the same. Really, that's unnecessary. I had to outgrow it because I knew it wasn't helping me. And sometimes when I see all the fats, the arm, the belly, and the parts that I want to reduce are not really disappearing, I get frustrated. So there is no need. There's no need for all that. Know when to pause. Enjoy what you're doing. And don't expect to see fast results. Your results might start coming in 2 months, 3 months, or thereabouts. I'll tell you guys, be yourself. This life, you know, feel live am 2 times, so now once. Enjoy your life. You are thick, you are fat. Enjoy your life. You are slim, you are leprous, however you want to call it. Enjoy your life. See, you're not living your life for anybody. If you are losing weight, it's for your health. If you are gaining it and you are happy, fine. The thing is, don't come and kill yourself and die on top. If you know that this suya is what you want to eat this night, auntie, stroll outside and buy it. Enjoy yourself. If you say it's fried chicken and chips that you want, eat it. Don't kill yourself. The only thing I will advise is portion control. Don't overdo it, don't abuse it, because some people, when they fall off diet plan, it's difficult for them to come back. It happened to me. I fell off a diet plan. Let me not even call it a diet plan. I fell off keto diet, and then after 1 month I noticed I gained all the weight back and so on. It's so frustrating, but what I enjoyed or what I learned during that period is that I was a lot relaxed. I wasn't so focused on my body or how I look and so on. In as much as when dieting you have to be focused on your body, it's all about you, your body, your health. Sometimes give it a rest, please. You know, come what to come suffer. They create you fat no mean say you go die on top, or sister. Have fun, portion control it. If possible, use Google, ask them calories in certain food that you want to eat. Let me tell you guys, not all diet is for everybody. Not all new diet that just came out is for everybody. Some will work for you, some will not work for you. So when it doesn't work for you, don't beat yourself. Really, don't beat yourself. Enjoy yourself, live your life and continue. And what I have learned also is that little exercises helped, because when I lost weight I still had all those flabby arms, my tummy was folded and so on. But trying to add little exercise, that I noticed that all those arms are beginning to trim. It is not easy because I'm a very lazy person and I wake up very late. I can't believe I just said that. I wake up very late. So guys, do what works for you. I hope I've been able to explain some good details to you that will help you in your life, in your weight loss. So guys, if you like this type of content, do give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.